Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by revealing and preparing the dock so it's ready to use. Swipe up from the bottom edge to bring the dock into view. This exposes your recent and favorite apps. Once visible, drag an app icon down from the home screen and drop it onto the dock to add it. Make sure multitasking options in Settings Home Screen and Dock are enabled so the dock shows recent apps and supports split view. That setting controls how the dock behaves when you call it up. Next, you'll customize and actively use apps from the dock for faster multitasking. Reorder icons by pressing and dragging them left or right so your most used apps sit closest to your thumb. To run two apps side by side, drag one app from the dock to the left or right edge until split view appears. Release to open. If you need to close an app from the dock, press hold and either choose remove or drag it up off the dock. Once done, the dock is tailored to your workflow. To finish, learn how to hide and recover the dock and what to do if something goes wrong. You can hide the dock by swiping down or simply waiting. It auto-hides when in some full-screen apps. If icons look wrong or split view won't engage, reset the home screen layout in Settings General Reset to restore defaults. If issues persist, restart your iPad, power off, wait 10 seconds, power on, to clear temporary glitches and restore normal dock behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.